You all are welcome in this course of Notepad. In this course, we will know what is Notepad because we know it in mobile but are not aware to know it in computer and laptop. And this is the most basic software. If we do not learn it, then we will not learn in further. Then we don't know anything. Let's start from the beginning. Start the notepad. First of all, click search bar and type notepad like upside. Then click notepad interface something like zoom. So, in this video is file tab, new window, open. Okay, three options in this video cover. First, new. How are the new? Like type in this number and add, but not only. How can you click file tab? So new button, control and press. Yeah, new. Okay, click new and open file new. But I am not open a new file because it is deleted. Okay, this deleted is text and number and open a new notepad. So click file tab and click open a new option. Okay, let's click and then one option is pop up. See, look at this. Do you want to save change to entity? Means this step. Are you save this step? No. So no and don't see. Say yes to see. Okay, but I don't say. So click on this. Okay, look, all that is related new notepad is open. Okay, and second option is new window. Click control shift N. Okay, that's control plus shift plus N. So start new window. Like click and second notepad is available on first notepad. Okay, this type and this type. Okay, same notepad, but difference is small and capital. I will capital click and nothing. Okay, like so same notepad. Okay, you can new notepad, click on new window. See, look at this, control shift N. Okay, but only new file open. But only new file open. So click control N. Okay, or new file new. So third option is open. Like we are making a file before any file, but how can open in this notepad? Because work is today to start. File click file tab, open, Control O. Click and open or Control O. Okay. Let's keyboard type Control O, but I use mouse. Click on open. Open the new window. Do you want to see change on message? Same line that is open. New. Okay. I'm not a save this file. So don't save. Click on the don't save. And open option open. Okay. Choose your videos open. Like new work note. Okay. My file has completed to 6. Okay. Before day. Click and open. Click on open. Look at C. Upside. New work note. Okay. Please do not interesting video, so unlike, and interesting video, so like, and any problem in not understanding, so please comment this video. I hope you understand this video. Okay, in this video completed. Also thanks, and coming soon with next video.